Since 1993, Aydınlar Madencilik, which operates on its 1.5 million square meter site at the 35th kilometer of the Izmir-Ankara highway, has been a global leader in the natural stone sector under its Nif Stone brand. The production process of natural stones also consists of a series of stages managed with quality and care. This process is carried out in accordance with international standards at every stage. From various sources in the country, minerals such as dolomite, basalt, and redstone, which are suitable for decorative use, are carefully selected by our professional team, transported to the site by trucks and placed in the stock area. The materials in the storage area are transferred to the drum bunker using excavators and trucks. The stones tumbled in the drum bunker are separated in different sizes in sieves with belt systems. The separated products are transported to the storage area by trucks. According to the demand, the materials are transferred from the storage area to the packaging facility using excavators and trucks. In the packaging phase, the products are filled into sacks or big bags. Aydınlar Madencilik exports natural stone in 50 different colors and sizes to 30 different countries with an annual production capacity of 105,000 tons and is the sole supplier of large-scale international projects with its Nif Stone brand.